Hi, my name is Marta, and I'm the Senior Director of Data Solutions here at Boostr. I'm excited to announce the launch of the next chapter of our certification program around a feature that's at the core of our team, analytics. Over the years at Boostr, we've invested in various solutions to enable our clients to run the reporting and business intelligence that they need out of the platform. Since our current offering is pretty robust and powerful, we listened to your feedback and developed some free educational materials to empower you to use the analytics tool to the best of its abilities with your custom needs in mind. We hope that this course will help you lean into the data-driven world that we live in and feel confident in extracting all sorts of insights to better your business. To learn more, please go to boostr.com and we hope to see you there.